Hi friends, I am Mark. Today I will discuss 10 incredible facts about human physiology. Number 10, you have a water-resistant skin. If you've ever wondered if you could walk underwater for a few seconds, the answer is yes. Your skin can temporarily repel water. But how? The tiny hairs on your body trap air and form a thin layer of insulation. This layer makes it difficult for water molecules to reach your skin, providing a waterproof barrier. However, this ability is lost when your skin gets wet or when the humidity drops below 70%. So next time you see a puddle, take a deep breath, tense all your muscles, and try jumping into it. You might just be able to walk on top. Number 9, your body has its own battery. Your body has an internal power source that can keep you alive for several months without food. It's called the mitochondria, and it's located in the cells of your body. If you stare directly at the sun, the light can cause the lens of your eye to burn and explode. This condition is called solar retinopathy, and it can cause permanent damage to your vision. When you're happy, your nose knows it, and when you're sad, your nose knows it too. This is because the nerves in your nose are connected to your brain, and they send signals back and forth. These signals tell your nose how to react based on your emotional state. But don't worry. Your eyelids protect you from this happening by blinking and preventing you from staring at the sun for too long. This is because the acids in your stomach are strong enough to break down metals like iron and aluminum. However, this doesn't mean that you should eat metal. Doing so would cause serious damage to your stomach, and you could bleed to death. The mitochondria converts fats and proteins into usable energy, which can keep your vital organs functioning even when you haven't eaten recently. If you're submerged in water for too long, the lack of oxygen can cause your heart to stop beating. From the water-resistant skin to the heart that can stop and start again, the human body is truly amazing. This is called drowning, and it can happen in less than 2 minutes. However, if you're rescued and brought to the surface, your heart can start beating again. This is called resuscitation, and it's a medical procedure that can save lives. For example, your blood can clot to prevent excessive bleeding. If you get cut, platelets rush to the scene to plug up the wound and prevent you from bleeding to death. Your heart also has its own emotions. When you're happy, your heart beats faster, and when you're sad, it beats slower. This is because the nerves in your tongue are connected to your brain and they send signals back and forth. These signals tell your brain whether or not the food you're eating is hot or cold, so that you can react accordingly. This is because the nerves in your heart are connected to your brain, and they send signals back and forth. These signals tell your heart how fast to beat based on your emotional state. But that's not all. Your blood also has the power to heal wounds. When you get a paper cut, your body sends out white blood cells to fight off the bacteria that has entered your body through the cut. This sense is called intuition, and it's a feeling that something is wrong. Your gut instinct tells you to avoid certain people or situations, and it's usually correct. However, sometimes your intuition can be wrong, and that's when things can go horribly wrong. These white blood cells work tirelessly until the wound is healed and the infection is cleared up. However, this process slows down when you're sick or injured, so your body starts to shut down and you lose consciousness. Number 8, your blood has superpowers. Your blood can do more than just transport oxygen throughout your body. It also has some amazing superpowers. Number 7, your brain can control your emotions. Your brain is a powerful organ that can control your emotions, but it's not the only one. Number 6, your eyes can explode. Your eyes are incredible organs that allow you to see the world around you, but they can also explode. Number 5, your nose. Your nose is an amazing organ that can detect different smells, but it can also detect different emotions. Number 4, your tongue can detect hot and cold. Your tongue is an amazing organ that allows you to taste different flavors, but it can also detect hot and cold temperatures. Number 3, your stomach can digest metals. Your stomach is an amazing organ that can digest food, but it can also digest metals. Number 2, your body has a sixth sense. Your body has a sixth sense that allows you to sense danger before it happens. Number 1, your heart can stop and then start again. Your heart is an amazing organ that allows you to live, but it can also stop beating. Now you know 10 incredible facts about human physiology that will make you appreciate your body even more.